Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take in Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to add new address on Amazon. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for amazon.com. So here it is. Now we can see this option called Deliver to Nepal, and this shows your location or your address. Simply tap on this and you can click on Manage Address Book to manage the address, or you can simply enter your US zip code and simply click on Apply, or you can choose your country as well. Now to manage your address, simply click on Manage Address Book and click on Add Address and choose all of your address details, and finally simply click on Add Address. So this is all we can do to add address on Amazon. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.